Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, just driving down the street. I spotted this beautiful car, guys. Check this out. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500. Car is for sale. Do not open my doors or hood. If you're interested, call me. I'll show you things. So there's a 390 in here. Car is for sale. It's in Long Island, New York. Here's the phone number, 631-578-9541. When you're out at Eastern Long Island, you find a lot of awesome cars. Car looks like it needs some work. 65 Ford Galaxie, runs and drive, 390 V8. Looked like it was a burgundy car in the past. Guys, like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification. Leave your comments down below. Pretty nice interior. Some paint work. Had some Bondo issues back in the past, but I'm sure it's a pretty solid car here, guys. Pretty bad. Always find some cool stuff on the side of the roads in Eastern Long Island. So there it is, guys. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500, probably a 390 big block in there. Looks like it has a pedal in there. It's automatic, so you got a automatic in there. So probably a Ford 9-inch. And like and share these videos. Subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. Subscriptions going up, views are going up. I love it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you for subscribing.